Coucou les amis, bienvenue sur ma chaîne Read Question Plus. Aujourd'hui, nous allons voir le son E en français. So guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about a sound in French that is called le son E, that is the E sound in French. We are going to learn how it is pronounced and the different ways by which it is written. Donc, qu'est-ce que le son E? Qu'est-ce que le son E? L'explication simple, c'est que le son E est une voyelle fermée prononcée avec la bouche presque fermée. So what is the A sound in French? And the A sound in French is explained in the sense that it is a closed vowel pronounced with the mouth almost closed. A. A. So if you can hear how I am pronouncing it, you can't see my mouth, but can further when you try to do it at home, you realize that you wouldn't really open your mouth. It's a little bit close. So we say A. Alors, quelles sont les différentes manières d'écrire le son E en français? Donc, la première manière d'écrire le son E est très simple. C'est avec la lettre E, accent aigu. Par exemple, le mot clé contient le son E. So guys, what are some of the ways by which you can write the A sound? The number one, okay, the first one that we all know in French is with the letter Y and then the acute, okay, accent. So this word on your screen, okay, which is clay, has the A sound in it. Another example is baby, baby. So baby also has the sound A in it, as in the Y with the accent aigu in it. B, B. Du coup, les gars, quelle est la deuxième manière d'écrire le son E en français? Donc, le son E, nous pouvons écrire ou avoir le son E avec les lettres ER. Donc, les lettres ER donnent le son E. So, guys, what is the second way by which we can pronounce or get the E sound in French? The ER, okay? ER with the letters ER. So the verb here, manger, contains the sound A. The ER, the two letters will combine and give us the sound A in French. Nous avons également le verbe parler. Donc le ER à la fin du verbe est prononcé E. Est prononcé E, donc parler, parler. So this verb is called parler, as in to speak, and the ER at the end of the verb is pronounced E. Donc les gars, la troisième manière d'écrire le son E, c'est avec les lettres EZ. So guys, the third way of getting or writing the sound E in French is with the letters EZ, okay? So EZ gives you the sound E. For example, the word we see on our screen is ne, ne. Nous avons également aller, qui est la conjugaison du verbe aller avec le pronom personnel vous. So in French, when we conjugate the verb, okay, with the pronoun you, as in the plural form, okay, or the polite way of asking and of talking to somebody, we use the pronoun vous. We can say vous allez, so you go. So it can be singular and it can be plural depending on the context. Vous allez, so you go. So it's the same thing here. Danser, vous dansez. So the same explanation that I gave initially, it's you dance, as in the singular form of you dance. When you're talking to somebody you don't know, just one person, or when you're talking to a lot of people and you say you dance. Donc à ce moment, nous allons pratiquer la prononciation de certains mots qui contiennent le son E. So guys, we are just going to try to see if we can pronounce some words and then a sentence also that contains the sound E in French. So the first word, I want you to try it. How will you pronounce it? I'm waiting. The first word is café. Café. So you realize that when you pronounce, you hear the sound A in it. The second word, can you try it alone? Yes. I'm sure some of you have got it, okay? The second word is marcher, as in market, okay? Marcher, marcher. And then the last one, télé. So this is a short form of the word télévision, which we just cut it short and then we say télé. So then let us try and repeat a sentence. Pratiquons la prononciation d'une phrase. Ok, donc nous avons une phrase à répéter et la phrase est j'ai adoré le dîner chez ma copine préférée. Let me repeat it again. J'ai adoré le dîner chez ma copine préférée. So here with the word adorer, there is the sound E in it. Dîner, it contains the sound E. Chez, the YZ also contains the sound E. Préféré, we have 3 I avec l'accent aigu. Donc, let's repeat the sentence again. Répétons la phrase ensemble. J'ai adoré le dîner chez ma copine préférée. So guys, thanks so much for watching this video and see you in another video for more lessons in French. Donc les gars, merci d'avoir regardé cette vidéo. On se voit dans une nouvelle vidéo pour plus de leçons en français. Merci, bonne journée, bonne soirée et on se voit à plus tard. Salut, à bientôt, au revoir, ciao.